What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the Neewer phone cage kit with dual handles. Now, a big shout out to the company, Neewer, for sending this over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So let's take a quick look at some of the features and details. This is an enhanced universal phone cage, adjustable from 2.2 inches to 4 inches. Now, this is compatible with your Apple, Samsung, Google, and other smartphones. Has an ergonomic handheld design, dual handles for maximum stability, and it also features Bluetooth control. It has adequate accessory mounts. You get numerous quarter-inch threads, plus cold shoes. Now that's going to be used for your mics, lights, tripods, and other accessories that you may want to connect. It's vertical and horizontal mounting, aluminum alloy build, lightweight and resistant to corrosion, abrasions, and shocks. Now this is ideal for your social media content creators, influencers, video makers, movie makers, YouTube, and vloggers. So those are a few of the features and details. Let's take a look at the box that it comes in right here. You guys see you got a picture of the device here, universal phone cage with dual handles. And this model number is the PA009E model. So that is it. I have already cut the tape. Get that out of the way, and let's take a look at the phone case. Now, I've always wanted one of these. Just never got around to purchasing one. I've worked with Neewer in the past. They make some great products. So you get your manual, instructions manual, pretty thick, and you're gonna get your cage. Let's set that over to the side. Let's see what else we got in the packaging. So you got your one handle right here. So as you guys see, you got your quarter threads on there. There's your cold shoe. You also have an Allen wrench for tightening up things right there. And yeah, it's got some nice grip, rubbery grip on here. So very nice. And then you're gonna have your other one for the other side. And pretty much copy and paste. This is where your Bluetooth controller is right here, another cold shoe. And you also have a Allen wrench under the bottom that you can take out and tighten up your different things that you want there. So, and you also have your Type-C charging port right here for your Bluetooth functionality. Left and right handles, and that's going to be all in the box, I'm thinking. Yeah, that's it. So let's get the box out of the way. Take a look at the cage. So here's the cage. Now you're going to have numerous quarter-inch screw holes there. You got two cold shoe mounts there in case you want to mount lights, mics, whatever you want there. You got some more over here as well. Quarter-inch thread screws here. Two more cold shoe mounts right here as well, and some more quarter-inch threads. You got your phone holder in the middle right here. Now this has rubber inserted in it, so you're not going to scratch up your phone, and adjust for different size phones, as you guys see right there. Now you can mount this on tripods as well. Lightweight, made of aluminum, but it does feel great in the hand. On the back, it's going to give you that model number and let you know that this is Neewer. And you got some more quarter screws there, so you plenty of those in case you want to use different accessories. So remember, you can mount the handles vertically or horizontally. It's your choice how you want to use them. So let's go ahead and connect the handle. So it's just simple enough just to find which quarter screw hole you want to put it in. And there it is right there. And then you take the other handle. I think I got these backwards. Yeah, let me unscrew this one. And if I'm not mistaken, this one is going to go on this side. I think I got it backwards. I have to look at it and see, but let's get this one started over here. All right, and then we're going to have this one on this side. The reason why I change it because your button needs to be up front for your Bluetooth feature. So let's go ahead and make sure. Now you can put these handles at any level that you want them because you have so many quarter screw holes there. So here it is all together. and it feels very sturdy as well in the hand. You're gonna get some nice grip. Got your 2 cold shoes here. Now, if I wanted to activate my Bluetooth, I can just hit it right there. Now I'm gonna get some phones. We'll try this out and let you guys see what it looks like. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have a couple of peripherals set up on here. I have my little light right here, and I have my receiver for my wireless microphone right there. And as you guys see, it fits on there very well. Here it is from the front. So if I needed to wire my receiver into my phone, I still be able to do it. Or you can use a shotgun mic as well. And it works very well there, as you guys see. So let's go ahead and drop a phone on here. So we're gonna drop the iPhone, and it does have a case as well on here. So just drop it in there and you tighten it up just like that. And this is what it looks like with the iPhone on there. Let me turn it around like this. Now, you know, you can use this horizontal and vertically. And you can, you got so many quarter-inch screw holes there. You can use whatever. So let's go ahead and get it paired with the Bluetooth on here. So we're going to go here. I'm going to turn this on. You guys see it's flashing blue light right there. So we go over here to our Bluetooth settings. And as you guys see, it says Neewer PA005E. We're going to go ahead and get this paired up. It's asking to allow it. And there it is. It is paired up, as you guys see right there. So now we're going to go into the camera app. Right here, here's the camera app. So if I wanted to take a photo, simply push the button. And as you guys see, it took the photo. So let's do that again. Takes a photo, and I can go look at the photo. There's the photo right there. So if I wanted to do the same with video, so here it is starting the video, and it is recording, just like that. So that's very nice and convenient way there. Earlier I said this needed to be towards the front. You can have this button on the back or wherever. These handles fit on both sides. So, and you also have cold shoes here. I could take this, if I didn't want it there, this light, I can put it over here. Lock it in right here. So if I preferred it to be here, there's no issues. And the microphone as well. You can put this anywhere. So let me show you the Allen wrench. Now they're magnetized into the device. Get this mic off. All right, got the mic off. So let's go ahead and remove the phone. You guys see how that worked. And if you need to use the Allen wrench, these are magnetized in there. So you have to get your fingernail in there and kind of pick up on it. Like that. It's not going to fall out. So if you needed to tighten this up even more, that's what you need to do that. So, and you also have another one over here for smaller devices as well. And there they are. So this is it, man. Let's go ahead and try the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's also in a case. Let you guys see how this looks. So here it is. You guys see. Now you can move the phone holder over. You can loosen this Allen screw up right here. That's what the small Allen screw wrench is for. And you can slide it each way. It's slotted right there, so you can move it any way you want to move it. And this is what it looks like on the back side right here. All right, guys, so the last thing I want to talk about, you can slide your handles up and down. Just slide it right there. So what you have to do is get your Allen wrench. And there's some screws on the side of it right here. Loosen these up. And these will allow you to reposition the handle where you need to take it. Just like that. So we're going to go ahead and tighten this back up like that. And put your Allen wrench back in here. Just like that. And there it is, guys. So yeah, man, this is it. The Neewer Universal Phone Cage Kit with handles. Very nice. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H, I'm out. Very nice.